Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajiv Dotto in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about Dhaka city. Dhaka is the capital and largest city of Bangladesh. It is a very busy and energetic city where millions of people live, work, and dream every day. Dhaka is often called the heart of the country because it plays the most important role in national life. Dhaka has a long and rich history of more than 400 years. Old Dhaka is famous for its narrow streets, old buildings, mosques, and traditional lifestyle. Historic places like Lalbagh Fort and Asan Manjil remind us of the city's glorious past. The city is also known as the city of mosques because many mosques are found here. Dhaka is the main center of education, businesses, and administration of Bangladesh. Many famous schools, colleges, universities, banks, offices, and industries are located in this city. People from different parts of the country come to Dhaka for education, jobs, and better opportunities. Because of this, Dhaka is a city of diversity where people from many backgrounds live together. The city is full of life and color. Colorful rickshaws, busy markets, shopping malls, parks, cinemas, and restaurants make the city lively. Dhaka is also famous for its delicious food, especially the traditional foods of Old Dhaka. The Buriganga River plays an important role in trade, transport, and daily life. However, Dhaka also has many problems. It is one of the most crowded cities in the world. Traffic jams are a daily problem and often waste a lot of time. Air and noise pollution make life unhealthy and often spaces are very limited. During the rainy season, waterlogging becomes a serious issue in many areas. The high cost of living and busy lifestyle can make life stressful for many people. Even with these challenges, the people of Dhaka are hardworking, resilient, and hopeful. They face difficulties with courage and continue to move forward. Overall, Dhaka is a city of contrast, full of opportunities and problems, but it remains the proud heart of Bangladesh. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.